Are you a woman over 50, wondering if there's still time to build something of your own? Maybe you're craving freedom, flexibility, and a purpose that fits this new chapter of life. You're not alone. And yes, it's not too late. The truth is, many women in their 50s and beyond are rethinking everything: careers, schedules, priorities. They're done with long commutes, rigid 9-to-5 jobs, and being underpaid for their experience. They want something more meaningful and more flexible. That's why starting a bookkeeping business is one of the best ways to work remotely, on your own terms. Why bookkeeping? You don't need a degree or CPA license to get started. It can be learned quickly, especially with the right support. You can work part-time, from anywhere, even in your pajamas. And best of all? Businesses need good bookkeepers year-round. With just a few clients, you can earn a solid income from home, while still having time for yourself, your grandkids, or even travel. It's peaceful work, with powerful results. What if you're starting from scratch? You don't need to be a tech whiz or math genius. At Grace and Profit, I teach women over 50 how to start a simple bookkeeping business, one that fits their season of life. I'll show you the steps, the tools, and the confidence to get started, even if you've never done anything like this before. Your next step? If this speaks to your heart, subscribe to Grace and Profit. I'll be sharing videos, tips, and trainings to help you start your remote bookkeeping business, one peaceful step at a time. This isn't hustle culture. This is grace-led growth, for women just like you. You're not too old. You're right on time. Let's build something beautiful, together.